Something really big just happened in Hex that nobody's really talking about. Whale Alerts just announced billions and billions of Hex, multiple millions of dollars worth of Hex being burned. Let's dive into that. What does that mean? Richard Hart, the founder of Hex, was assumed to own the vast majority of the Hex supply. But for the past 5 years, everyone's been accusing him of dumping the coins to go pay for luxury goods like Rolexes, Lambos, and all that. Now I get it. I mean, the guy looks like a scammer, but when you go on chain, he actually hasn't ever sold a single Hex coin. Blockchains are public, and you'd be able to see where he was selling. In fact, Richard's actually been seen buying his own coin at certain times in the market. But this burning, what's this all about? What it actually is Richard Hart is staking Hex in a ladder for the next 2 to 15 years. So that 80% of the supply that people were all worried about was going to get dumped, now it physically cannot be dumped. Otherwise, if he ends his stakes early, he gets penalized, he loses all of his Hex. So I don't know how much more obvious it can get at this point that the guy doesn't intend on dumping and nuking his whole project. Again, these multi-million dollar burns were actually most likely Richard doing super long-term stakes. And if you don't know about Hex staking, when you make a stake in Hex, you cannot pull it out early without getting penalized and losing some or all of your stack. So if you still think Richard Hart is a scammer, let me know why in the comments.